Hello, everyone. My name is Talia Williams, and I will be your college algebra instructor this semester. Um, I'm going to try and make another video because I did not have somebody's taken stuff out of the lecture lab, so I cannot transfer the video I just made to put on for y'all to see, and you need a video. So we're going to go ahead and do this one until hopefully they can get that one to me with their missing stuff. Okay, let's see. Beautiful. I am going to share my screen with y'all. We're going to our Blackboard homepage. So our Blackboard homepage here, currently we have simple syllabus here at the top. This is a link that's going to take you to your syllabus. I will show you that in a second. Announcements here, this is going to be where all of our emails are. Every email I send you is going to pop up right here. So currently we just have this email on here. I'll have another one once this video is updated or uploaded so that I can share that with y'all. Go back to the welcome page. Um, Give me a second. Here. No, it doesn't have my extra stuff on it. So announcements is where all of our emails are, instructor information. The only information for me right now, um, I'm just an adjunct, so I do not have an office, so I do not have an office phone number. I just have my email. You can message me on Blackboard, but if you do, know that the notifications don't come through like emails. So when I get an email, I get an instant alert. So email is the best way to reach me. But if you do message me through Blackboard, I will get it. I just can't say it's going to be right when you need me. If something was happening, the best way would be to email me. Okay, My Math Lab, this is where all of your homework and tests are going to be. So you have to get an access code and get registered with My Math Lab to stay in this course. Now's in Time Math Notes right here. This is, let me open it in a new tab. This is notes from a grant that we've had that they have went and made really, really good notes about all of our lessons. And then they have the intro ones before. So you can go into this and look at their notes if you would like to. Terry Bings did a wonderful job with this. So all of those are available. I have another link to them as well on our course materials right now because I'm working on making new ones. Here is our test dates. All of our tests are on Tuesdays. I assume our final is also going to be on 5/13 because grades are going to be due on 5/16. It says what each test covers. This is important. I'd go ahead and write these dates down on your calendars or set alerts so you know like a couple days ahead I need to take my test. Here's just some good links for help. So on here you have tutoring help. We have the NASNTI, we have the ARC as well, and tutor.com enrollment. You need to talk to the enrollment center. Blackboard is Jerry Lattimore and email her. But usually you can just message IT with anything besides Pearson stuff. If you have issues with Pearson, let me know. I don't have any HonorLock links on here right now. I'm not sure what proctor we're going to be using but we'll figure it out. We might have Zoom meetings for testing at night or on the weekend. We'll figure it out. But you have to have a proctor for your test. Okay, going back now, well, before I go to My Math Lab, let's go to course materials. So I have another link to those NASNTI math notes that's right here, and they have every single lesson through our final, and we have 31 assignments. Then they have this intro to college math notes they'd done before. So this has extra stuff that you might, like if you're stuck on something, like we're going to add and subtract radicals, simplifying rational expressions, that's stuff we do, solving by factoring. This is something people really struggle with. Difference of squares, trinomials. These are little things that we're going to like have that are going to pop up in our lessons that I don't really have the time to deep dive into that, but these are available if you need them. I'm going to try and make videos that supplement that as well. Okay, so test one materials, I broke my videos into test groups. That's what I'm trying to say. So all of these lessons are our first test. These lessons are going to be on that first test. So when you click on, these are just the videos right now. And so these are all in this lecture lab right here. And it's just a video that's going to go over all of lesson one. So that's where I work out these problems and show y'all. That's part of the textbook. Some of these I left on here that if I made an error because I wanted y'all to see, I'm going to show you on Blackboard is on my math lab as well what is going on. But I think I was just interesting. But I'm going to show you this stuff as well. 1.6 is what pops up next. Stop. I hate watching myself. With that being said, if you see anything on a video that looks wrong, confusing, or if you need like more examples of something, email me and let me know. I am currently trying, like, my goal this semester is to get everything up to date and ready to roll, and then to break everything into modules for Blackboard Ultra when I start using it next semester. So I'm trying to get everything like the easiest, most helpful way to use and available for when I switch to Ultra next semester. So if there's anything that you think could help other students more, let me know so I can start working on that because I got to make the switch and I'd like everything to be in line and ready. So all of these test one, test two, three, four, five, down here are my older ones. So it has all the stuff. It has my notes on it as well. So there's notes on these, but these are all pre-COVID, or not pre-COVID. These are all during COVID videos that I had to make quick, fast, and in a hurry. And so they're rougher. And that's what I was trying to improve on this last semester with the new videos. But since I didn't have my notes and stuff ready, I just threw them all down here in this older lessons notes, extra materials. So this is all still available to you if you like that. But I'm trying to make it better. Okay, let's go back to our welcome page or my math lab here. I'm going to. So when y'all go to click this open Pearson, it's probably gonna have you log in. Mine's already logged in. I think I'm logged into my student one as well. I don't know what's going on here. There it loads. So you're going to have to register. When you register, it takes you to a page that has you can buy the access code. It has a deal that pops up that has like it's $150 if you buy a 32-week or whatever it says with $7.99 a month. Do not get anything that has the $7.99 a month. You do not need the study plan and exam prep stuff for my exams. Just look at our notes and stuff. We're not covering the entire book for you to need that. It has that, and then under it, it has the normal ones. That would be what you need. I think they have it at $89.99 right now. Then on the other side, it has like it's not a picture of the book, but y'all wouldn't necessarily know what the book looks like anyway. And then under it, it has waiting for financial aid, and then it has the 14-day trial right under that, like in the corner, blue hyperlink sentence, and you can click that and you'll get in for 2 weeks. Okay. When you get into my math lab, because after that it says thank you for your purchase, da da da. it shows right here, there's like 33 more. That's just everything is available to you that day. Everything is live. When it starts breaking them up, all of our homework due dates are on Sundays. So everything, I think it's usually just two. Well, there's a three right there before spring break. So I have three of them due before spring break. Um, Tests are on Tuesdays. The tests are the diamonds. The blue dots are our normal assignments. There's another three. Um, and then that's our final. I have our final on the Tuesday. Okay. Um, I don't necessarily love looking at the calendar. I When I go to do assignments, I go to assignments over on this side and then I go from here. Since I've already made that one little video, it has a score on it, but let's get to it. So on here, you have to enable your pop-ups with Pearson My Math Lab because this pops up as a pop-out. And then it tends to work best with Google Chrome. Safari's okay, but it usually works best with Google Chrome. So question one, question two. Um, on these, when you go to them, there's this help me solve this. If you click help me solve this, it's going to walk you through the problem and have you do various like answer this. So which of the following should be performed first in solving the equation? You're going to need to add 5 to both sides. Continue. Next, divide both sides by 6 to solve for x. So we're going to have 5 divided by 6. Continue. Then it wants us to check our solutions. So once you do a help me solve this, though, it changes your problem. So our problem is now changed. That's the downside of help me solve this, but it walks you through that problem. But you're going to have to do another one after it. View an example gives us a similar problem, and there's nothing you have to type into this, and you just go through it. One thing about view an example, I tend to use this if I'm not sure how they want the answer typed in. So if you're not sure how to get the answer in, go ahead and go through there and check there. The last thing I'll say is this ask my instructor. So if you're stuck and neither of those are helping you or Pearson confuses you, you can send this to me and it's going to send me an email. And once it sends me the email, it sends me your exact problem with your numbers and I can work it out and send it back to you. So that is it. And then I go through all of these problems on that first lesson. I think that is everything that I can think of off the top of my head. If y'all have any questions or need any help, let me know.